Welcome. Today, we're going to walk through an important privacy update. How to stop Facebook from accessing your call logs. This is a quick fix, and it only takes a few moments to make sure your personal information stays truly personal. Let's get started right away. First, open your phone's settings. This is where all your app controls live, and where we'll make the changes that keep Facebook from seeing your call data. Once you're in the settings menu, scroll down until you find apps, or sometimes app management, depending on your device. Next, look through your app list and find Facebook. Tap on it. This will open a detailed view of everything the app can access and control on your phone. You might be surprised at how many permissions are turned on by default, even the ones you didn't specifically approve. Now tap on Permissions. Here, you'll see all the different types of data Facebook can use, like your camera, contacts, microphone, and yes, your call logs. This section is the key to taking back your privacy, one setting at a time. Find call logs and tap on it. You should see a few options, usually something like Allow, Ask Every Time, or Don't Allow. Select Don't Allow. That's the setting that completely blocks Facebook from reading or recording your call history. Once that's done, go back and quickly review the rest of the permissions. It's a great idea to double-check what else the app might be accessing. You can choose to limit or revoke permissions for things you're not comfortable sharing. Congratulations, you've just taken a solid step towards stronger digital privacy. It's small actions like this that make a big difference in protecting your personal data. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to share it with someone who could use the extra privacy boost. A few quick settings changes today can mean a safer, more private online experience tomorrow.